Gerardo Hernandez began his UIC journey when he was still in high school in the Medicina Academy Apprentice Program at the UIC College of Medicine. The program prepares Latino students for careers in medicine and healthcare. Every other Saturday for 3 years, Hernandez and other Latino high school students in the program came to UIC for lectures from pediatricians and family doctors, discussions about health equity, and lessons in anatomy and physiology. Even as a teen, Hernandez knew he wanted to focus on a career in health and make a difference in his community. He knew that nutrition is a big factor in chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and kidney disease. Diseases that disproportionately affect Latino people. On December 14th, he'll graduate with a bachelor's degree in nutrition from the College of Applied Health Sciences. In college, Hernandez has kept up the weekly volunteering he started as a high school student, handing out healthy food at the Ebenezer Christian Reformed Church in Berwyn. Now he knows more about growing and cooking these foods too. For his college nutrition classes, he devised healthy recipes, sometimes using food he helped grow and harvest in the UIC Teaching Nutrition Garden. For his next step, Hernandez will go through UIC's Accelerated Master's Coordinated Program, which includes clinical rotations and community work, on his way to becoming a registered dietitian. You can find more stories on today.uic.edu.